Welcome back to our channel. In this lecture, today we will learn all logical gates. Seven logical gates. Those are NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, Xor Gate, and Xnor Gate. These are the logical gates. Let us see one by one detailedly. The first one is NOT gate. Definition of NOT gate is: it is just reciprocal of input. Reciprocal means if our input is 0, then the output is 1. Else our input is 1, then output is 0. This is the reciprocal. See NOT gate symbol. This is the NOT gate symbol. Only one input required and one output is given. Let us see truth table of NOT gate. NOT gate require only two inputs, that is 0 or 1. The output may be 1 and 0 because of the NOT gate is reciprocal of input. This is the truth table of NOT gate. See the second one, that is AND gate. The definition of NOT gate is: it is multiplication of two inputs of AND gate. So AND gate is multiplication of two inputs. Let us see AND gate symbol. The AND gate symbol like this. Only one output is given. It has two input are required, that is A and B. It is just multiplication, so A dot B. The truth table of AND gate is: the AND gate inputs are 4. That is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The output may be 0 0 0 and 0 1 0. 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. It is the truth table of AND gate. Third one is OR gate. The definition of OR gate is it is addition of two inputs. So the addition of two inputs. Let us see symbol of OR gate. It is the symbol of OR gate. Two inputs, that is A and B, the output A plus B. Let us see the truth table of OR gate. The OR gate input are 4, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 or 1 1. The output may be 0 1 1 1. This is the truth table of OR gate. Let us see the fourth one, that is Xnor Gate. The definition of Xnor Gate is it is the reciprocal of OR gate. Let us see the symbol of Xnor Gate. This is the symbol of Xnor Gate. The truth table of Xnor Gate is it has 4 inputs like 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. The output may be 1 0 0 0 because of Xnor Gate is reciprocal of OR gate. So this is the truth table of Xnor Gate. Let us see the fifth one, that is NAND gate. The definition of NAND gate is it is the reciprocal of AND gate. Let us see the symbol of NAND gate is like this. The input of NAND gate is A and B. The NAND gate is reciprocal so that A and B bar. Truth table of NAND gate is it has 4 inputs like 0 0 and 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 1. The output the reciprocal of AND gate so that 1 1 1 0. This is the truth table of NAND gate. See the sixth one, that is Xor Gate. The Xnor definition is if both the inputs is same, then the output is 0. So the XOR symbol is like this. The XOR input is A and B, then the output is A XOR B. Table of the truth table of XOR gate is here. Input is 0 0 and 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Then output is here. XOR inputs same 0 0, then the output is 0, then different, the output is 1. So this is the truth table of Xnor Gate. Let us see the last one, that is Xnor Gate. The definition of Xnor Gate is if both the input is same, then the output is 1 1. The symbol of Xnor Gate is like this is the Xnor Gate. Here Xnor Gate input is A and B, then it is A Xnor B dash. Let us see the truth table of Xnor Gate. Here the input is 0 0 and 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Then the output of Xnor Gate is, if both the input is same, then the output is 1, else 0. So this is the truth table of Xnor Gate. This is the all about logical gates. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.